reading the book, Leah? Oh, here it is, Leah's favorite thing to do with toys. Put them over her head. And then kick and wiggle. Hey, you. Peekaboo! Ha 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 ha! Peekaboo! Are you reading that book? What are you reading, Fuzzy Bee? It's for reading, not for inhaling. Ooh, he's soft, huh? And tasty. But he's best over the face. What's making all that noise, Leah? What's Sissy? I think she's getting some more. Where's Leah? Where's Leah? See? Positioning it just right so you can kick and wiggle. Touch the silliest baby. Hey, you. You're a silly girl. You're a silly girl. I know, you just want your book back. Place carefully over your face. Maddie, is that all the cars you can find? No, I wasn't going to put it over my face. I wouldn't dare.